Moira Shire Council recently joined with both Shepparton and Campaspe Shires to host what we called a manufacturers roundtable. So this was an opportunity for some of the leading manufacturers from across those three councils to come together with the three councils and to really talk about what are the opportunities for the future. We know that manufacturing is a very significant component of our local economy, and we want to work with local manufacturers to understand where our strengths are, where our opportunities are to build further manufacturing opportunity. And it was a great day, a great opportunity to bring together some of the leading thinkers in the manufacturing space across the three councils, across the region. And from there, we've got a number of key initiatives that we'll take away. And as councils, we'll work with our partners, our manufacturing partners and government to see where we can take the opportunities highlighted at that roundtable to strengthen manufacturing in the future locally.